is called Swallow Falls Canyon Trail. I guess these are the animals that we can all see here. There's woodpeckers, chickadees, squirrels, bears, and look at all this nature stuff over here. We're going on this rocky trail right here. This may look like mud, but it's actually rock. This is the creek right here, or waterfall thing.
No, this is definitely a big one.
Wait, this is the big one? This is the big one! It turns out that the Mighty Creek one was the bigger one. So we have to hike all down these stairs and stuff like that to get to the smaller one. We're gonna swim in it. Look how fast this water's moving. This looks pretty cool, huh? Whoa, look at this rock up there. Can you see it? Hopefully. It's like they all magically stacked together. Well, if you thought that was impressive, look at this one. Look at that thing right there. That white thing here. I can't zoom in that well, but look at all this water over here. And right next to this tide over here. That's going over to there really quickly. I wonder how they're supposed to. I'm going to try to go to this really steady water over here. 10 sheep survive. That's using the good old stick. That's not a saying. I just made it up.
Alright, you guys ready to go and look at the...
Look at that waterfall over there. You can't see it that well, but you will. This is a really good view of the falls.
Don't get on that waterfall yet. Okay?
Whoa, look at this one.
Yes, it is.
Whoa.
Don't go out into the hole.
Look how it's pretty powerful. Yes, it is. This tree somehow grew on this rock. Isn't that crazy?
Alright, if I want to get any closer, I'm probably going to have to go swimming, and I'm not sure if I'm ready to go swimming. So take a look at this rock that the river has worn away. Oh, there are bugs everywhere. Do you want to touch it? Yeah, that one, it should be a lot deeper right there.
Look how fishy it is. It's a waterfall. What? Go under the waterfall. Are you crazy? Oh, come on. You're on top near a waterfall. Isn't that crazy? That white stuff over there is the waterfall. Whoa, look at all this stuff.